Matt, the mortgage guy here. Quick video to talk about homeowners insurance. Now, when you're buying a house, you're going through the mortgage process, homeowners insurance is something that you get to pick. You can use whoever you want, and that's exactly how we tell our clients when we're in the process and we say, hey, we need the homeowners insurance, to be binded by this date. Totally up to you. If you got somebody you like who you're using for your auto policy, just go get a quote from them. If you like that, let's move forward. We can provide quotes from some of our partners, but a quick tip on this, and I don't want to name names, but some people are just so terrible. Geico, Progressive, some of these big online companies. When ordering homeowners insurance, it's not rocket science, but these guys make it so terribly difficult, and I think it might have to do with just too much automation. One, they take forever to get a policy. Two, you can't talk to anybody, we can't talk to anybody. We've got to go through a system. And what happens in those cases where you can't, explain different factors and exactly what kind of policy you need, the policy gets spit out and then canceled because it doesn't match the property for whatever reason. So save yourself the trouble and the headache. Talk to a local agent with a company you like and trust, a name you've heard of, or let us refer you to a great broker who can find you homeowners insurance. In general, most of the good companies are going to be in the same ballpark, but folks that are trying to save $4.32 per month by going online to Geico are going to delay their close of escrow, or they're going to get even worse. A policy gets put into place and then a month after it gets canceled, and they've got to figure out how to renew and get new homeowners insurance because something was missed with one of these big online companies. So that's that. Homeowners insurance 101. Don't use Geico or Progressive. That's my advice. Use somebody else who's local, or talk to a broker who can get you a good company with a good homeowners policy that's not going to cancel. All right. Any other questions? Feel free to reach out. Matt the Mortgage Guy. Until next time.